Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're taking a close look at the Beats Pill, a comeback with a bang. Released to compete head-on with its rivals, the Beats Pill has returned with a refreshed design and upgraded features. It's sleek, it's modern, but does it deliver on its promises? Let's find out. The new Beats Pill sports a more cylindrical design compared to its predecessor, with a single speaker grille and a durable rubberized finish. It's IP67 rated, meaning it's dust-proof and fully waterproof, perfect for outdoor adventures. Packing Bluetooth 5.3, it syncs effortlessly with both Apple and Android devices. A standout feature is its USB-C port, allowing for both audio and charging functionalities. Plus, there's a handy speakerphone mode, ensuring clear calls even in noisy environments. Now, onto the sound quality. The Beats Pill boasts a revamped woofer system, delivering richer bass and clearer mids. It's notably louder than some competitors in its class, providing a dynamic listening experience whether you're indoors or outdoors. Battery life has seen a significant upgrade too, promising up to 24 hours of playback. Even better, a quick 10-minute charge gives you 2 extra hours, perfect for those last-minute get-togethers or trips. How does it stack up against the competition, like the Bose SoundLink Flex? Both priced similarly, each has its strengths. While the Bose may be lighter, the Beats Pill offers features like USB-C and a robust build that might sway your decision. Wrapping up, the Beats Pill isn't just a comeback, it's a statement. With enhanced durability, impressive sound quality, and thoughtful features, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to elevate their portable audio game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech. Until next time, signing off. Product Critique.